Some regions of your body are younger than a week. Others have been with you since the day you were born. A human silhouette splits into glowing layers, each illuminated along a passing timeline. Within, a vibrant mosaic of trillions of cells is revealed, each with its own journey through time. The age you celebrate is not the whole story. Your body is a living patchwork where youth and age coexist across different tissues. Zooming closer, layers of skin cells are in constant motion. Every 2 to 4 weeks, your outermost covering is entirely renewed. This unending cycle means that a paper cut or scrape can disappear in days. Fresh cells move in, pushing away the old and repairing the damage, keeping your body's shield strong and resilient. Deeper still, the lining of your gut moves even faster. Every 3 to 5 days, the cells that protect your digestive tract are replaced. This rapid turnover is crucial for survival, defending you against the relentless assault of stomach acids and invading microbes. Time-lapse reveals a wave of new cells, building a barrier that's always fresh, always vigilant. But not all parts are so quick to start anew. Heart muscle cells, cardiomyocytes, renew so slowly that most endure for decades, beating steadily from the first moments of life to the last. These cells are the quiet guardians of your rhythm, built for endurance, not for speed. In the brain, the story is even more dramatic. Many neurons, especially in regions tied to memory and identity, are as old as you are. These cells rarely divide. Instead, they persist, preserving the patterns that make you who you are. Their longevity is a double-edged sword. While they anchor your memories and personality, they cannot easily be replaced if lost. This cellular tapestry explains much about the human experience. A wound on your skin might vanish within weeks, leaving no trace. But damage to the brain can last a lifetime because the neurons that define thought and identity rarely regenerate. The heart, too, carries its scars, as lost muscle cells are slow to renew. Each organ faces time in its own way. Some are kept youthful by constant renewal. Others bear the marks of years. The consequences are profound. As you grow older, some parts of you are fresh and resilient, while others remember every year that passes. Wrinkles on the skin, the slow stiffening of the heart, and the fading sharpness of memory all reflect this mosaic of cellular ages. Pause. The glowing silhouette reforms, its layers shimmering across the timeline. You are not one age. Within you lives a history of regeneration and endurance, a living timeline shaped by renewal, loss, and survival.